Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to YouTube channel Any Technology. In this video, we are going to talk about animation in Kotlin with coding. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, go to your layout file. Let me go to mine. Go to split mode. Remove the text view and assign this thing an image view because we want to animate an image. Match, nope. It will be 300 by 300. And let me change the layout to relative layout and give this center horizontal and center vertical true. Now let me create a drawable for the example purpose and let me select one of these. Let me select, I guess I will select the star one and click OK. Now let me change the color. Let me select a color. This one's look okay and click on next and finish. So yep, and now let me give this thing an ID. So once this thing is done, copy the ID and go to the activity file and assign this thing to XML and paste it here, and this will be image view of typecast. Now let me do the find view by ID thing, and let's continue to our animation. Let me assign alpha to this thing. My icon dot alpha is equal to 0f. By 0f I mean 0 opacity, and let me copy all these and scale x and scale y to also 0f. So as I already mentioned, by 0f we mean 0 opacity, and x-axis scale 0 and y-axis scale to 0, mean this visibility will be gone. So now let me apply animation to this thing. I will type my icon dot animate dot apply and press enter. I will define the duration 1 second. Let me write this and let me give alpha to 1f and scale x to 1f and scale y to 1f. Okay, by 1f we actually mean that we are visibling this thing to its original size. By 0f we mean the size will be 0, it will be gone, but by 1f we mean the original size. So we want to animate it from 0 to 1, from the gone size to the actual size. And one more thing in the end, that what you want to do when the animation ends. So with the end action, I guess it's with the end action, yes, runnable, and press enter. So I want to show a toast message whenever the animation ends after 1 second. Let me type in the message. So by this stage we are done. Let me run the application. So as you can see, our application is run and the animation is played and the toast is shown. So it's very fast. Let me change the duration to 4 seconds and let me run this again so we can get a clear view. So this will run now, I guess. Yep, as you can see, our animation ends in 4 seconds and the toast message is shown. So I hope you like this video, guys. If you do like this video, do subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.